I bought these rollerblade wheels for my office chair, and let me tell you what a difference. Now this is carpeted floor, so I have this bamboo mat that I roll around on, and as I've mentioned before, I'm kind of a big fella. So the mat with the original wheels, I'm going to show them to you. Those are the original wheels, and they didn't roll around on this stuff very easy. So I ordered these off Amazon, and I'm going to leave a link. And they're rollerblade wheels. They're rubber, and the old wheels, they just pop right off, and these just pop right on. Real simple. You need a screwdriver to just knock them out. And the new ones, you just put them in the holes and hit them with your palm, and they pop right in. And what a difference these wheels have made. It makes it a whole lot easier.
Yeah, they'll even roll across carpet.
Yep, yep.
You can roll around your house.
We liked them so much that we bought some for my wife's chair in her sewing room, and she loves them too. So they really made a difference in how easily they will roll on this stuff. So I don't usually pimp products, but this is something, if you spend a lot of time in an office chair, it really makes a difference.